How to access service history reports in Moiboo. The service history report in Moiboo allows workshop personnel to view detailed line item records of all services performed, parts replaced, and items built across customer vehicles. 1. Navigating to service history. Log in to your Moiboo account. Click on the Reports icon on the top main navigation bar. Under the Repair Report section, locate and click on Service History. 2. Filtering and searching records. To locate specific customer transactions or vehicle records, use the filter panel located above the history table. All vehicle drop-down. Filter records by a specific vehicle plate number or registered model. Customer selection. Click on the customer drop-down menu to search or select a specific client, such as POS customer or Alvin. Date range from to. Select a starting and ending date using the calendar pickers to limit results to a specific time frame. Job no. Input a specific job card number to view all line items attached to that individual job. Search button. Click search to apply selected filters. Tip. Click hide filters on the top right of the filter bar to collapse the filter options and view more table rows at once.
3. Understanding the service history table. Once results load, the table displays a granular breakdown of all items associated with matching job cards. Job date, the date the job card was logged or completed. Job nong, the unique identification number assigned to the repair job. Mileage, recorded vehicle mileage at the time of service. Invoice nong, the associated sales or service invoice number. Customer, name of the customer account. Car plate nong, license plate number associated with the service vehicle. Item code, specific part number or service item identifier, for example 04152-31090 oil filter. Description, additional details or notes regarding the line item. Quantity, quantity of parts used or hours billed for the line item.
Customer status, current approval or record status, for example approved, NA. 4. Exporting and printing options. In the top right header section of the page, click the quick action icons to export or print the generated report. Printer icon, send the report view directly to a connected printer. Excel icon, green, export the currently filtered service history dataset into an Excel spreadsheet. PDF icon, red, download a printable PDF copy of the filtered report.